As the world's population grows, ensuring everyone has access to sufficient, nutritious food is a critical challenge. Sustainable farming practices offer a promising solution to this challenge. Firstly, sustainable farming involves methods that are environmentally friendly, such as reducing chemical use, conserving water, and promoting biodiversity. These practices are not only crucial for protecting our environment but also for ensuring long-term agricultural productivity. Healthy ecosystems are more resilient and can provide the resources needed for continuous food production. Secondly, sustainable farming includes a focus on local production and distribution. By supporting local food systems, we can reduce the carbon footprint associated with long-distance transportation of food. Additionally, local farming empowers communities, supports the local economy, and ensures fresher, more nutritious food reaches consumers. However, transitioning to sustainable farming requires effort and collaboration from various stakeholders, including governments, farmers, and consumers. It involves embracing new technologies, investing in education, and creating policies that support sustainable practices. In conclusion, sustainable farming is not just an environmentally responsible choice. It's a necessary step towards global food security and a healthier planet. By adopting these practices, we can ensure that future generations have access to the food they need to thrive. Today, I'm honored to discuss the enduring legacy of Rachel Carson, a pioneering environmentalist whose work sparked a global environmental movement. Her groundbreaking book, Silent Spring, published in 1962, played a pivotal role in raising public awareness about environmental issues and the impact of human activities on the natural world. Rachel Carson's meticulous research and eloquent writing in Silent Spring exposed the dangers of indiscriminate pesticide use, particularly DDT, and its devastating effects on wildlife and ecosystems. Her work challenged the practices of agricultural scientists and the government, prompting a nationwide debate on environmental policy and public health. Carson's advocacy led to a shift in national pesticide policy and laid the foundation for the modern environmental movement. Her efforts contributed to the creation of the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency and the eventual ban of DDT in the United States. Her legacy extends beyond environmental policy. She inspired generations to appreciate the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of conserving the natural world. Rachel Carson's work reminds us of the power of informed, passionate advocacy in effecting change. In conclusion, Rachel Carson's life and work continue to be a beacon of inspiration, emphasizing the importance of environmental stewardship and the responsibility we bear towards our planet. In this lecture, I'd like to focus on the vital role of sustainable business practices in shaping our future. In an era of environmental challenges, the way businesses operate can have far-reaching impacts on our planet and society. Sustainable business isn't just about reducing environmental harm. It's about creating a positive impact. Companies adopting green practices are seeing benefits not only in their environmental footprint but also in financial performance and public perception. This shift is driven by increased consumer awareness and a global call for corporate responsibility. Moreover, sustainable business practices often lead to innovation. By rethinking materials, energy use, and supply chains, companies are uncovering new, more efficient ways of operating. This innovation is not just beneficial for the environment, it's a catalyst for economic growth and job creation. In conclusion, the move towards sustainable business practices represents a significant opportunity for both environmental preservation and economic prosperity. As future leaders and consumers, your choices and actions will be instrumental in driving this positive change. Today, I'm thrilled to explore the transformative power of music, a universal language that transcends cultural and linguistic barriers. Music, in its various forms, is not just a source of entertainment. It's a profound medium for expressing emotions and connecting people across the globe. Music's influence on human emotion is unparalleled. It has the ability to evoke deep feelings, from joy to sorrow, and can impact our mood and mental state. This emotional connection is why music is often used therapeutically, helping to relieve stress and promote well-being. Additionally, music serves as a cultural bridge, fostering understanding and unity among diverse groups. It reflects the history, struggles, and triumphs of different communities, offering insights into various cultural identities. Through music, we can experience the world from different perspectives, enhancing empathy and connection. Moreover, the evolution of music, from classical symphonies to modern pop, reflects the ongoing innovation and creativity of humankind. It adapts and evolves with societal changes, capturing the zeitgeist of different eras. In conclusion, music is a powerful tool that enriches our lives, offering both solace and celebration. Its ability to resonate with our deepest emotions and bridge cultural divides showcases its indispensable role in human society. Today, I am excited to speak about Alan Turing, a figure whose groundbreaking work laid the foundations for modern computing and artificial intelligence. Turing's life story is not only about scientific discovery but also about facing adversity with resilience and courage. Alan Turing, often referred to as the father of modern computing, made significant contributions during World War II by developing techniques to break the German Enigma code. His work at Bletchley Park was crucial in deciphering coded messages, giving the Allies a decisive advantage. Post-war, Turing focused on developing one of the first designs for a stored program computer and conceptualized the Turing machine, a model that became fundamental in understanding the limits of algorithmic computation. His 1950 paper, Computing Machinery and Intelligence, questioned whether machines could think, pioneering the field of artificial intelligence. Despite his monumental contributions, Turing faced persecution due to his homosexuality, a tragic reflection of the times. Yet, his legacy transcends these challenges. Turing's life symbolizes the profound impact one individual can have on the world, breaking barriers in both technology and social norms. In conclusion, Alan Turing's life story inspires us to pursue knowledge and innovation, regardless of obstacles. His contributions continue to influence our lives and remind us of the enduring power of human intellect and creativity.